How to unblock an extension on school Chromebook 2025 full guide. So basically, uh, generally not possible without an administrator privileges. You cannot unblock extension on a school managed Chromebook. But let me tell you why extensions are blocked. Schools often block extensions that could pose security risks, such as those that might access personal information or bypass security measures, and some extensions might violate the school acceptable use policy, such as those that allows access to inappropriate content or bypass content filtering. And schools use management systems to control the software and settings on their Chromebooks, ensuring a consistent and secure learning environment. So what you can do, let me tell you, you can contact the school's IT department. This is the most appropriate and safe course of action, and the legal action. Explain your need for the extension and ask if they make an exception or provide an alternative solution. And you have to understand the limitations, like beware the unauthorized attempts by bypass these restrictions could lead to disciplinary actions. And explore alternative solution, like if the extension is for a specific task, see if there are alternative tools or websites that can accomplish the same thing without requiring an extension. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.